Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I told y'all it's my birthday month. I'm gonna be showing y'all some of my birthday favorites, month favorites of March. Here's another one. It's not only my favorite pie, y'all. It's the first thing I ever made on a consistent basis. Was this particular pie right here. I was 13 years old and I made this pie on a regular basis. I used to sell it for $5 out of my house. $5 a pie to benefit the vacation Bible school in the summertime. Used to raise money for it. I was a businessman, right? And you know, none of that came to me and I all went to the church. But I was a businessman at 13 years old, y'all. And my mama the one taught me how to do this. And I used to do it back in the day, on a double boiler. We didn't have the good pots we have now where you can actually do it right on the stove. You had to do it on the double boiler. I learned how to use cornstarch. I learned how to temper, all that at 13 years old by making that, all these procedures and stuff like that in one pie. And I used to do chocolate. I used to take the base before you add the lemon juice. Of course, you can variation this pie before you add the lemon juice at the end. You can add chocolate to it. I made chocolate pie. You can make coconut cream pie out of this. You can make banana cream pie out of the same base. Right before you add the lemon juice, you can make any variation of pie you want to. So that's why this pie is special to me. So what I got here, y'all, very simple. Got some eggs, milk. You can use water, of course, if you don't want to use milk. Butter, vanilla, sugar, cornstarch, and lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice there in the back. So anyway, y'all, very simple, very easy recipe I got here. We're gonna, there's something going on in the back there. But anyway, got the pot right here. And all we're gonna do, y'all, put my sugar in here. Cornstarch in here, y'all. Put that in there. Kind of mix that up a little. Then we're gonna add our milk to this and we're gonna turn it on. Mix this up in there a little. I'm just gonna make one 9-inch. Making a mess, y'all. Now we're gonna pour our milk in here. Like I say, y'all, I don't have it on yet. You wanna get it all mixed up first before you turn it on. Get it all mixed up, then I'm gonna turn the fire on. But this, like I say, it makes one 9-inch deep dish pie. Deep dish, y'all. All right, y'all, hold on, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. Okay, y'all, we're gonna turn this on. Put that pot back there, y'all. Got some stuff cooking back there. All right. So we're gonna let this come to a boil. Once this comes to a boil, we're gonna temper these eggs here, meaning we're gonna put some of the hot liquid into the cold eggs here, get it to the same temperature. We're gonna add the eggs back to this, let it cook a little. Then right at the end, we're gonna add our vanilla, our lemon juice, and our butter. Mix it all up and put it in our pie shell. I got a 9-inch deep dish pie shell right here, already cooked all the way off, pre-baked all the way off. Not par-baked, but you need to cook it all the way off, because we're not going to cook this pie anymore. Even though we're going to put a meringue on it, but the meringue going to be in the oven, what, 5-6 minutes just to get it brown. So, anyway, we'll be right back once this comes to a boil. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, you see how that's gotten thick and getting thicker? Now, all we're going to do, y'all, I'm going to turn this off so it don't scorch on me. We're going to take a little hot liquid, y'all, and put into the eggs here. That's all we're gonna do. And we're just gonna kind of mix them up there and kind of temper them. That's called tempering. You want to bring the eggs to the temperature of close to the pudding. If not, you're gonna have scrambled eggs, y'all. Get all mixed up in there really, really good. Turn this back on. Come back up to a boil and we're gonna throw that in there, the eggs right in there with the pudding. Trying to get it all out of there pretty quickly. We're gonna let this simmer, I'll say about 2 or 3 minutes till the eggs completely cook. And then we're gonna add cause it's definitely gonna get thick, y'all. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all. See how thick that's gotten? Look at that. I'm gonna turn this off, y'all. I'm pretty much turning this off, and I'm gonna let the residual heat do its thing when I add the other stuff to this. I'm gonna add a little vanilla to this. Now we're gonna add a lemon juice to this. This is what I was telling y'all. At this point, we're gonna add our butter to this. Before I added the lemon juice, you could have added your chocolate or whatever you need to add to it. So anyway, we'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, y'all. See how thick this got? You let it cook a little bit. See that? There we go. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. And that's what you want, y'all. See how thick that is? That's what you want. Now, we're gonna move it over here. Let me move y'all over here to the pie shell. We're gonna pour it right into the pie shell here. Pour it right into the pie shell, y'all. There we go. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. There we go. Beautiful. Like a lemon pie, right? Looks like a good old lemon pie. Okay. Let me bring my pot out, y'all. Okay, now, what I'm gonna do now, we're gonna make the meringue for this. We got some egg yolks, egg whites. I got a little sugar. Cream of tartar, and a little vanilla. We're gonna whip this up till it gets real stiff peaks. And we're gonna spread it right onto the pie there. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. Let me grab the bowl. All right, y'all, all we're gonna do, I got 5 egg whites. You know, the egg whites is left from the yolks of the pie here. I got in the bowl here. Make sure your bowl is clean, not oily. Because if it's oily, you know where you're going to whip these egg whites. Make sure the egg whites are room temperature. That's the key of having nice, fluffy meringue. A nice, clean bowl, not oily, nothing like that, and warm egg white. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this on. Excuse me. And get you a bowl that has a lot of volume to it. You don't want to do it in a little bowl. You see, I got a few egg whites. I got a lot of volume. You need a lot of volume for this because you're creating air. So that's what I'm doing. So anyway, y'all, I'll be back once I get them to the peaks, and I'll show you the next step of adding the sugar. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. All right, y'all, now, I'm going to slowly but surely add my sugar to this, little by little. Little cream of tartar. Now I'm gonna add my vanilla right at the end here. And this is the peaks you want. See them stiff peaks there? See that? Now, let me tell y'all something. Let me tell y'all the key to a meringue. As you see right now, I just did it just like that. Let me tell y'all the key to making a good meringue. Because I didn't want to stop the mix and tell y'all, and y'all wouldn't be able to hear me anyway. The simple key to making a good meringue, like I just did here. I can talk and work at the same time, right? You can talk and work at the same time. That's what I'm gonna do. Let me get this out the get this out the way. Let me tell y'all a little key here. The key to some simple keys to make meringue, because I've been, like I said, I've been doing this for so many years. You see how stiff those are. See that? Is to make sure, like I say, the eggs are room temperature. The bowl is not the oil in it. Another key is to make sure you add your sugar gradually. Don't add your sugar fast. If you add your sugar too fast, it's gonna deflate your egg whites. So that y'all see how slowly I was adding the sugar. I didn't just dump all the sugar in there at one time. That's very important. Now, of course, you see I'm putting the meringue on here. If you've been following me enough, you know my mama called it calf slobber. That's what she used to call it. My mama did not like meringue on pies. She made many of them. Y'all see I'm going to the edge here with the meringue. Make sure I seal the edges so it don't come apart. Come away from the edges. See that? Can y'all see that? We can't see you. Your arm in the way. Somebody gonna say, we can't see your arm in the way. Come on, come on. Work with me here. Work with me here. I'm going all the way to the edges. That's the key. All the way to the edges. Get all the way to the edges, then we can go back up to the top here. And get the rest on the top. And we kind of play around with it. See that? Like I say, y'all, I bet I did in my lifetime maybe 800 these things. Maybe more than that. It's more than 1,000. A meringue pie. So now all you want to do now is just kind of move around there, make your little designs on there, and that's it. I'm gonna put in the oven 350 degrees. Take about 15 20 minutes or so until it get nice and brown, and that's it. Let it come room temperature. Let it get cold, and we'll cut it. So we'll be right back after come out the oven. All right, y'all, we are back. The pie's out of the oven. Look at this, y'all. That's what you want right there. Nice golden brown. And like I say, I'm going to let this set up and get completely cool before I can cut it. So I have to maybe let it sit in the refrigerator. First, I'm going to let it sit on the counter for a little bit. And let it sit in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours at the most. And then I'll come back later on and we'll cut it. And I'll show y'all how easy it is to make a lemon meringue pie. You can make chocolate meringue out of this, coconut meringue, banana cream out of the same basic recipe. There's nothing to it. Very simple, very easy. Like I say, right before you put the lemon juice and now you just add you some chocolate in there with your butter and vanilla. If you want to do coconut, throw your coconut in there right then with your butter and your maybe coconut extract. Your banana cream, you throw your bananas right in there as well, right then, and so on. Pineapple, you can make pineapple meringue. Throw you some pineapple juice in there right then, and some chopped pineapple and meringue. I've had pineapple meringue pie, it's very good. So yeah, you can do everything, all kinds of stuff with the same basic recipe. So anyway, we'll be right back once YouTube time. It's gonna be like 5 or 6 hours before I come back. Actually, it'll be dark by the time I come back. But anyway, YouTube time will be right a few seconds. So anyway, we'll be back when I get it all sliced and cut, and we'll do a sample. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this nice looking pie here, y'all. Nice looking pie. show y'all here. Look at this. Look at that, y'all. Nothing better than lemon meringue pie. And like I say, y'all can make chocolate meringue, pineapple meringue, any kind of meringue you want with the same concept. All right, y'all, let's get a big bite of this here, y'all. Got a little bit of meringue on there. Look at that. Take a bite there. Take a bite. Going in. What more can I say, y'all? Nice and creamy. Just like I always make it. Nice and creamy. And lemony. Look at that. My favorite pie, y'all. A sentimental reason to go. First pie ever made. First pie ever made. So, anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, TikTok, oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2024. Stop wishing, start doing. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.